In this video, I am going to solve question number 7, that is from exercise 7.1 for class 9. The question is as follows: AB is a line segment and P is midpoint. D and E are the point on the same side of AB such that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE and angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. So we have to prove triangle DAP is congruent with triangle EBP, and second, that is AD is equal to BE. The things which are given, that is P is the midpoint. So if P is midpoint, then these two lines will be equal. That means AP is equal to PB. And another thing, that is angle BAD, that means BAD. So this angle is equal to angle ABE, that means this angle. These two angles are given, that is equal. And another thing, that is angle EPA. So EPA means this angle, which is denoted as a double arrow, and is equal to angle DPB, that means this angle. These are things are given here. With the help of this, you have to prove that triangle DAP is congruent with triangle EBP. Now see how can we prove it. See here, it is already given that angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Now you can see, since both the angles are equal, so first we added this one, which is the middle angle. Just see, we will add it with this angle, both the side. So here this is given, we added just angle DPE. This one, the name of this angle is DPE. Look at here. This angle we added in the left side and also in the right side by the Euclid's formula. Equal can be added. So if we added these things, then just see in the picture angle EPA plus angle DPE. So EPA means this angle. Just once again see EPA. EPA, that means this angle. Clear? Plus DPE. So DPE means this angle. So now after adding, you con this angle, that is angle, this one angle, it can be said as a DPA. After adding these two, we got angle DPA. Similarly, in the case of angle DPB plus DPE, look at here, DPB, this angle added with DPE is added with it, so you got this one angle, that is EPB, that is here. So we can say that angle DPA is equal to angle EPB. Remember it. Now in triangle DAP, DAP, just see, and triangle EBP, this one, we have to compare its parts. Since DAP, that means this angle, is equal to EBP, that means this angle, it is already given. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Now see, since P is the midpoint, so AP is equal to PB. As if P is the midpoint, then this line and this line will be equal. So AP is equal to PB. So we got two condition, and since we have already proved here that angle DPA is equal to angle EPB. DPA, this angle is equal to this angle. So just see the picture. In this picture, these two angle and included this side is equal with these two angle and included side. So by the angle side angle congruency rule, we can say that triangle DAP is congruent with triangle EBP. So just see here, if both the triangles are congruent, then by the CPCT we can say that the side AD is equal to BE by the CPCT. If you want to see the picture, then see that this triangle is congruent with this one, so we can say side AD, that means this one, side AD is equal to BE, this one, by the CPCT. Thank you. This is the proof.